What up, crypto warriors? It's Sergeant Crypto back at it again. Today is Saturday, July 7th, 2018. It's a beautiful day out here in NYC. I'm about to go outside and enjoy this weather with my little guy. Alright, so let's have a quick look at the market. It's already up on Coin Checkup. And pretty much just trading sideways over the last 24 hours. Nothing too crazy. Oh, Bitcoin Diamond. It might be a pump and dump scheme right there. Who knows? But to be up almost 50% within the last 24 hours is kind of crazy. But yeah, everything is pretty much, trading sideways, I think, in my eyes. If it's not a significant change over orbit, plus or minus 5% or more, then it's nothing really, right? So yeah, I still consider this like a sideways kind of thing. Binance coin is up, but right, it's still ways off from its all-time highs. And where was Bitcoin Diamond? Yeah, right here. Bitcoin Diamond up almost 50%. Might be a pump and dump. So be careful of that. It's already pumping. I wouldn't, get involved with that personally. But in today's video, what I wanted to talk mostly about was earning some extra scratch, man. Earning some extra cash on the side. A friend of mine, was asking me, hey man, how do you earn extra cash to, invest in crypto? I don't have, much left over after bills and things of that nature. And, I told him, hey, he could, sell some of his old items that he's not using anymore, like clothing items he may have. He could sell it on Letgo, or old iPhones that he may have in the house. That's what I've been doing. Just letting go of like some of my son's older toys that aren't beat up and that he definitely won't use. Some of his clothes. Kids, they grow so fast. They don't even. A lot of his kicks, he didn't even get an opportunity to really wear them, because he grew too fast. So, and a lot of his clothing, he grows so fast that he didn't even get a chance to wear them. Maybe wear them only once, and that's it. So, you go around the house and see what you could sell on apps like Letgo or your local thrift store, if that's the case. Also, I'm a personal trainer here in New York City. And what I've been doing on the side, it's the summer season, and it's, my business kind of slow down. This year, I just started Uber on the side, and if you see, I'm gonna show you guys right here. This is what this is in New York City. The average Uber driver makes about $1,500 a week. All right, and that's, me personally, I've only been doing it for a week, so. This past week I made $1,200. All right, and I wasn't really out there hustling like I know I could. So I know I could definitely make more. So the money is out there. You just got to find different and creative ways to hustle and get that extra money, so you can invest in your favorite crypto projects. And that's what I'm doing. I take up $100 here, $50 there. Buy some Bitcoin or whatever, and throw it on my Trezor, my Trezor hardware wallet whenever I get it. Okay, so that's what I told him, and I figured I'll make this video talking about that. The fact that you could definitely make some extra money by selling some of your old items. I sold an old iPhone 6 Plus for $150. It was still in good condition, so I threw it up on I think it was Facebook ad, not that Facebook ads, but I threw it up on Facebook, and I was able to sell it for $150 to get some extra cash. So there, right? That's one idea. And people, will buy your old items, if they're still in good condition, So, just got to get creative, man, and think outside the box. You could also use affiliate links. All right, so I recommended the Cash app to several, like my friends and family, and about I got $50 from that. And with the Cash app you get a debit card as well. So that was an extra $50 I didn't have before. So the way how it works is you get $5 and they get $5 every time someone signs up for the Cash app and they deposit money onto the app. All right. So, and you could also trade Bitcoin on the Cash app. All right. So that's a plus as well. And guess what? The link for the Cash app will be in the description below. And also, if you're interested in driving for Uber, the link for that will be in the description below as well. All right. So again, just gotta get creative, think outside the box, and there's plenty of stuff inside your home that I know you guys don't use, and you could probably sell at either a thrift store, sell it on Facebook, and or use the app Let Go, for instance. All right, so again, the link for the Cash app is in the description below. All right, once you deposit some money on it, you will get $5 for free, and I will get $5 for free. So we're helping each other out. So think about that. And if you're still interested in Uber, man, all right, to give that a shot, and this is for NYC. I don't know what it is in your local town or city, but you could pick up some extra cash every week as well, doing Uber on the side. So, use my link in the description below as well. All right, and you'll be helping me out as well, and yourself. All right, so let me know what you guys think, man, about these different ways that you could earn some extra cash on the side to, buy your favorite cryptocurrencies, or just buy, not even just crypto, but just to help fund or to help pay some extra bills, or save some extra money, whatever the case is, whatever it is you want to do with the extra cash. All right, so let's have a discussion in the comment section below. What are some of your favorite ways to earn some extra money on the side? All right, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to smash that like, hit that subscribe, and also the notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. And share this. This might help somebody else out. All right, share this video as well. This has been your boy Sergeant Crypto, and I'm out. Peace.